Another video will be filming another video before going to the gym. How to get over a breakup or something. Well, first thing first, when you like break up, it is a heartbreak. Especially when you love someone, like when you have got so many memories. Even if the breakup is not at a love level, if it's just a friendship level, or like a sibling level, or a something, or like lower levels, it will be hurt. It will hurt a lot. Why? You love the person, especially if in good on good terms. If it's in bad terms, like you saw like a bad face from your person, and like that's like they don't deserve it. They were bad. Like I lost a bad person from my life. That's a win. Like if they are good, if, if they are good, you got like ended it. Even if they are good and you ended it on good terms, it will hurt a lot. Or if they just disappeared from your life on good terms, like leaving a good thing, a mark on you, it will hurt a lot. And you will still won't forget about them. Like, let's be real with it. One whole year passed from me. And like they will still keep that piece, that a little piece of love from them. They will like give it to you. Like they will keep it, and you will also keep your own piece of love on them, to for them or to them or on them or will them or I don't know. I'm not any English native speaker. They will keep their mark on you, and you will keep your mark on them. And that's like life, especially if it's a first love. Then it will hurt a lot, or like, and it will mark you a lot. It will like a little string, yeah. But with time, the string will get smaller and smaller. Like imagine if the string was like this. After like 1 year, it will be like this. After like 5 years, it will be like after 5 years, it will be like this. And after like I don't know, 10 years, it will be like this. And at the end of your life, it will be nothing. It's like this thing, like this width, this small. And it's can this all of these things can like happen on a 6 month thing. I am just like saying up numbers of years, but like it can just happen in 1 year. And for me, like my personal experience, it was just like imagine like the things happened on like June or like July, and where half through like April from the next year, I have not I have moved on, but I have not moved on from the person. I've moved on from what they gave me, and that's the point I want to share with you. You don't they hurt you a lot. They hurt you by like breaking your heart. That's enough hurting. And what you do is not like you still love them. You love what they gave you, but they made you feel loved, they made you feel special, they made you feel cared about, they made you feel lovable, they made you feel important. They gave you their time, they gave you their energy, their space, their money, even like it was all fairy tales, and that's what you are not getting over. For me, first it was the person, like especially the person, and like what they gave for me. That's why I couldn't move on from them. What they gave to me, and then since that person seemed so far, even like if they lived like just near me, and their school is just near me, they live so far. Like the distance is like we are more than strangers. No strangers, more, worse than that. It still hurts. It still hurts. Then like I moved on to like the craving for the same feeling that they gave me. Like that's another phase. And not saying but if it's worse or better, but it's still bad. You will like just crave for it with anyone, and at the end of the day, you will find no one, or like you will get into a toxic relationship or something. What I will offer you is like you will get into that, or you will not. Who knows? But like just start the gym, like yeah, and you gotta put in yourself this principle that I will say just now. Be yourself, and you will find the person that is made for yourself. Yeah, like your first love. You're probably yourself, and they loved you for being yourself. And like, oh, if they one loved you for being yourself, another one should love you for doing the same. Like, yeah, it hurts. It still hurts me. Yeah, but who cares? If they did, someone else will do. They will do it better. Will do it in a more gentle way, in a more cute way. Like, smile, bro. I know you're smiling. I know I'm not in that stage yet. I haven't like still found someone that may deserve me. You know yourself. Everyone knows yourself. Another point I got. Everyone knows yourself. Everyone knows their worth. Everyone know their worth, especially in loving. They know my worth in loving. I was ready like to like even if the other person died, like the old girl, even if like he left this world or something, I was ready to be loyal to her, even after death. Even if like nothing was like still, even if we weren't married, it was just teenage love, pure love, and yeah, yeah, bro. Yeah, I know my worth. If I love someone like really. And if like from now on, if someone doesn't like deserve it, I'm not like it just I'm protecting my peace. I don't want drama. And you probably don't want drama, and nobody wants drama. If they don't want drama, they're either you are either trauma, like past experiences are bad, or something like that. Anyway, be yourself, and you will find the person that is made for yourself. Take it from me, and kisses. Habibi. Habibis.